and most especially mga kabataan ng mga kinabata na na-offer na niyo. Yan ihandad sa ating ng Diyos na mga iyon. Kung mahirap sila na magkakaroon sa Diyos, kung magkakailangipan sa Diyos, kung nasa atin ng ibapisa.
Kayo rin po, yung mga bisita po natin ngayon, pag pumunta po kayo ng Vigan, Ilocos Sur, hanapin nyo si Ryan Singson. Ako po yung tour guide po doon. Maraming salamat po.
Me and my wife Margie would like to extend our congratulations to Jess and Grace and to the whole family. This is such a big party, very successful one, and rest assured that we will be doing our best to support Mateo Alexander in his life, basically as a Christian. Good afternoon, everyone.
I've known Jet and Grace for a while, and they're very good people, very exciting, very fun. So the children are in good hands. They're surrounded by great ninongs and ninangs. So this is gonna be an interesting life for the kids. I can't wait to see them grow.